Hello everyone. Welcome to Guessing Our channel. Please do like and subscribe. Would you rather like superpowers or like adventure? Let's start. What will you choose, and don't forget to comment. Would you rather have Spider-Man's agility or Flash's speed? Would you rather have Iron Man's suit or Batman's gadgets? Would you rather have Superman's strength or Wonder Woman's lasso of truth? Would you rather have the ability to shrink like Ant-Man or grow giant like Godzilla? Would you rather have Scooby-Doo's appetite or Garfield's laziness? Would you rather be as smart as Brainiac or as funny as Bugs Bunny? Would you rather go on an adventure with Mickey Mouse or Bugs Bunny? Would you rather have a magic carpet like Aladdin or a flying broomstick like Harry Potter? Would you rather have the Green Lantern's ring or Thor's hammer? Would you rather have the power of regeneration like Wolverine or the power of flight like Superman? Would you rather live in the world of The Simpsons or in the world of Adventure Time? Would you rather have a lightsaber like Luke Skywalker or a bow and arrow like Hawkeye? Would you rather go on a treasure hunt with Scooby-Doo or Indiana Jones? Would you rather go on a space journey with Buzz Lightyear or Wall-E? Would you rather explore the jungle with Tarzan or Mowgli? Would you rather go on a superhero mission with Spider-Man or Black Panda? Would you rather team up with Tom to catch Jerry or join Jerry to outsmart Tom? Would you rather go on an underwater adventure with SpongeBob or Aquaman? Would you rather harness the power of lightning like Pikachu or unleash fiery attacks like Charmander? Would you rather fly high and stay out of reach like Tweety Bird or keep trying and failing to catch him like Sylvester? Would you rather have the magical powers of Elsa or the adventurous spirit of Anna? Would you rather fight alongside Thor with your hammer in hand, or go into battle as Hulk, letting your rage fuel your power? Would you rather rule the kingdom of Wakanda with advanced tech like Black Panther, or command the oceans and control sea creatures like Aquaman? Would you rather shapeshift and read minds like Martian Manhunter, or manipulate reality and wield magic like Doctor Strange? Would you rather fight like Wolverine with unbreakable claws and regeneration, or strategize like Batman with your intellect and endless gadgets? Would you rather lead the Autobots with Optimus Prime's courage and wisdom, or fight alongside them with Bumblebee's agility and loyalty? rather rule the Decepticons with Megatron's power and authority, or aim for the top with Starscream's ambition and cunning? Would you rather fight for justice like Optimus Prime, or follow a strict, relentless code like Sentinel Prime? Would you rather be a brave and loyal fighter like Bumblebee, or a bold and impulsive hero like Hot Rod? Would you rather soar through the skies with Captain Marvel's cosmic powers, or fight with strength and honor like Wonder Woman? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.